Hi, welcome to Glytech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to see Spotify Wrap 2025. Spotify app has finally released Wrap for 2025. In order to see it, you have to make sure you have an updated Spotify app by going to your Google Play Store or App Store to update your app in case it is not updated. As you can see, mine is updated already. So having done that, the next thing you have to do is to go to your Chrome or any browser of your choice and type in Spotify Wrap 2025. Click on the first website there. As you can see from this page, I already have it playing on my device. As you can see, you can just click and select the particular episode you want to play and listen to it. You can just add it to your playlist and also listen to it. So guys, that is it on how to see Spotify Wrap for 2025. If this video was helpful, please do what to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.